Okay, look at my two gorgeous granddaughters. All right. All right. Let me, is it Las Vegas? Hey, pussycat. Gorgeous. I love the jeans. All right, next. Okay, next outfit coming up. Our master of ceremonies and the judge. Okay, we're waiting. Oh, and look who's here. I'm sorry, wait a minute. We've got Yoshi and Dirk together again. Hi guys, Yoshi, hello. I guess I'll